So right now, I want you to write you, the word you, at the top of your page, in 1 through 5. 5 things that explain you. Y'all, I'm not jumping out of airplanes. I'm not exciting most of the time. I'm sitting on my couch watching Harry Potter. Like, if you know, you know. Like, let's be real, okay? But the point is, I'm human and I'm real. And when I share my pictures and I share my captions and I share on social media, I don't pretend to be anything but me, but a real person, because that's relatable. Y'all, we're in the business of people. People join people. Are people gonna join Target? No, let's be real. We all love Target. Like, who doesn't love Target? But are you gonna want Target to be your upline? No, you want somebody you relate to. You want somebody who is gonna talk to you, who you are going to have a connection with, right? For me, when I am talking about our products, it is so easy to word vomit. I'm a former nurse, so science, I geek out. Do we have anybody in the medical field here? How easy is it to look at ingredients and geek out? Right? You look at it and you just want to tell people all about it. Or you might not be in the medical field. You might not know much about science. Guess what? That is your best friend that you don't know a lot about science when it comes to this. Why? Because the tired mama, she does not care what exactly a certain ingredient does. What does the tired mama care about? Energy. Simple, no midday crashes, not being tired. So when I'm talking about my products and I'm formulating and I'm in my stories and I'm on my posts and I'm trying to think of what captions to make, I'm able to pull, I'm a mom. Guess what? I needed energy. Right there. How relatable is that? When I am talking about something, I can show a picture of my son and I can say, you know what? No more mom bee. How relatable is that? Now, we share versus sell. This will help you share your personal testimony instead of selling somebody and saying, hey, you need these 3 steps. Well, yeah, duh, everyone in the world does, like, hello. But this allows you to share your personal testimony. So that 3rd list down by the beautiful coop, thank you, Vanna White, comp plan. Go ahead and write comp plan on the top of your page in 1 through 5. Why did you say yes to Le-Vel? Why did you join? 5 simple things, write it down. What are 5 simple things that made you say yes to Le-Vel? When you're talking about the opportunity, you can pull from that. Example, I can go picture, right? Because, you know, we're gonna share our story. I can be with my family at the aquarium on a Tuesday at 1 p.m. Eastern. Weekly pay. I can share about that. What does that do? Well, I'm sure another mom or a dad watching me or family, they're like, you know what? She gets paid weekly and she's at the aquarium. Like, what? She's with her family. Like, are you kidding me? What does that do? That starts questions. So at the end of the day, when you are trying to formulate captions or you're trying to think of a picture, think of you, think of your story. We are paid storytellers. That's exactly what we do. Self-development with a paycheck, paid storytellers. And if you aren't sharing your story because you're too busy comparing yourself to somebody else's story, you've already lost. I love y'all, but a little bit of red lens here, some lens love as my team calls it. You've already lost. You need to be you. You have to share you. And if you aren't sharing you, it's time to start. Because if little old me from a small town in Florida, Odessa, Florida, if you don't know, it's probably true because we're real small. There's more cows than people. But the truth is, if little old me from Odessa, Florida could build to 200K with less than 300 followers, all on social media, before a single person that actually knew me joined me, any single person here can do it. Any single person here can be a paid storyteller as long as you are telling your story.